there. Have you ever uploaded a YouTube short that got 0 views? Yeah, it sucks. You put in the effort, maybe even edited it like a pro, picked a nice song, hit upload, and nothing. Not even your mom watched it. But here's the thing. What if I told you that you could take that same video, or your next one, and grow it from 0 views to 20 million? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. You just need to stop posting randomly and start thinking like the algorithm. I've been studying YouTube shorts that went insanely viral, and I found a pattern, not just one magic trick, but 4 major things that can make or break your video. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. The 4 must-do things you need to focus on if you want to go from total silence to blowing up like crazy. Let's get in. 1. Thumbnail, yes. Even shorts can have thumbnails, especially when people see them on your channel or in search. A great thumbnail can stop the scroll instantly. Here's what works best. Bright colors that pop a human face with strong emotion shock, surprise, excitement, clear visuals of the moment or result in your video. Big, bold text optional, but only a few words. Your goal. Make people think, wait, what's going on here? That 1 second of curiosity is what gets the click, and clicks lead to views. 2. Title. Your title is your hook. It's the first thing people read before even watching your video. If it doesn't grab attention in under 2 seconds, they'll scroll past. Period. Here's how to make it work. Keep it short and clear. Under 50 characters is ideal. Spark curiosity. Make them ask a question in their head. Use emotion, mystery, or what happens next? Vibe examples. This blew my mind. You've been doing this wrong your whole life. Only 1% of people know this trick. Don't try to explain everything in the title. Make them want to click and find out. 3. Tags. Tags don't directly push your short to millions of views, but they do help YouTube understand what your content is about and where to show it. Think of them like little clues for the algorithm. Here's how to use tags effectively. Include 3 to 5 relevant keywords about your video. Add some trending or broad tags related to your niche. Use both English and your native language if your audience is mixed. Examples. Short motivation tools. Pro tip. Don't waste time stuffing in 20 random tags. Use the ones that actually describe your video content. It helps with search visibility and reaching the right audience. 4. Captions on screen text. Most people watch shorts without sound, especially on mobile. That means if your video relies only on audio, you're losing viewers fast. Here's how to fix that. Add short, bold captions that match what's being said. Use text to highlight key moments, reactions, or emotions. Make sure your first 1 to 2 seconds have attention-grabbing text on screen. Keep your font big, readable, and high contrast. Examples of powerful opening captions. You won't believe what happens next. Watch till the end. Wait, this changes everything. Good captions equal better retention. Better retention equal more views. Simple. Alright, now you've got everything you need to take your shorts from 0 views to millions. Remember, going viral isn't luck. It's strategy. And now you've got the strategy. So don't just watch this and scroll away. Take action. Pick a niche, plan your next short, apply these 4 tips, and just go make IT happen. If this video helped you even a little bit, smash that like button. Hit subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. What kind of shorts do you want to go viral with? Thanks for hanging out. I'm rooting for you, and I'll see you in the next one.